Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I wanted to share a few platforms that you can use to sell your ebooks and generate passive income. So you guys know in the past, I've talked a lot about ebooks as an amazing way to generate passive income online. You create the ebooks one time and you can start generating income over and over and over again. And I know a lot of you guys are wondering where exactly to sell your ebook. Now, the first platform you can use to sell your ebooks, of course, is none other than the famous Kindle Direct Publishing. Now, one thing I love about Amazon Kindle is the fact that Amazon is already a worldwide trusted brand, and people are not really going to think twice about buying your ebooks on Amazon just because of that trust factor. Okay, so we already have our credit card details stored on Amazon. We spend a lot of money on Amazon, and it's literally the largest e-commerce platform in the world right now. So they already have a ton of traffic, guys, that is coming to this platform that you can tap into. And this is a great place to start selling your ebooks, and it's what I always recommend for anybody getting started to do. Jump on Amazon, guys, and leverage this traffic that they are already generating. Tap into this trust that they've already built over the years, and start leveraging these tools to your own advantage. Okay, so this is always the best place that I recommend that you start selling ebooks, because there's just a lot of opportunity on Amazon Direct Publishing. The only problem, of course, is the competition, because it's free to join. There's going to be a ton of other people selling similar books to yours. Sometimes it can be very difficult to stand out from the crowd, which means that you need to kind of test things out a lot. You need to work on your organic search engine keywords that you're using to list your books and things of that nature in order to stand out from the crowd, okay? Another platform that you can use to sell your ebooks that many people don't actually seem to talk about, and not a lot of people are aware of, is to use the platform called Gumroad. Gumroad is another very, very popular platform that, over the last couple of years or so has actually, especially during the COVID time, it actually blew up during that time because a lot of people were going online to start businesses and things of that nature. This is another great platform that you can use, guys, to sell your ebooks. It's free to join, guys, and you can even get other people to go out there and promote your books for you. So you can create your own affiliate program using Gumroad as well, which is actually a great way to get more people to go out there and do the work for you. Because again, we have people who are looking to make money. A lot of affiliates out here are looking to sell products without creating them themselves. So if you have a book out here that is of interest to someone else out there, they could potentially go out there and promote your book and earn a little bit of a commission, which is basically just like free marketing for you as well. So you only pay the affiliates after your books have obviously sold, which is a win-win for you either way, because it's probably going to cost you more money trying to like run an ad and trying to get people to buy your book versus just getting somebody else to go out there and do all the marketing for you, right? So I recommend you check out Gumroad. That's another platform to sell your ebooks, okay? Another platform you can use to sell your ebooks is none other than Etsy. I love Etsy because Etsy works like a search engine as well. So if you use the right keywords that people are searching for around your book, you can make a ton of money, guys. I'm selling ebooks on Etsy. If I just go here and let me just do ebooks, for example. There's a lot of people out here selling ebooks on Etsy and, making a killing just selling ebooks on Etsy. As you can see right here, guys, look at that. Look at that. Ebooks, from ebooks to templates to digital products and things of that nature, guys. You can use Etsy to sell your ebooks and your digital products, okay? Another platform you can use to sell your ebooks is Blurb. I personally haven't used this one before, but I've heard some really good things about this platform. This is another great way that you can just go and, just put your digital products out there, guys. Self-publish your books. If you even wanted to publish it as a paperback copy, you can go and do it on, Blurb as well. And you can see they're actually connected with all these other platforms as well. So it's actually a great place to sell your ebooks as well. And I believe you can get started for free as well, okay? Another platform that you can get started with is Ejunkie. I'm just text that. You can actually start selling your digital products, your templates, your printables, any digital prints. Basically, you can sell them easily on ejunkie.com. Okay, so it's like e/junkie.com. Again, I haven't personally used this platform, but I have seen some great reviews and testimonials from people that have actually used this platform, and I recommend that you absolutely check it out as well. Okay, all in all, success is all about just finding more and more people that can see your book. And if you can spread your ebooks on multiple platforms, you stand a higher chance of making money versus just limiting yourself to one platform. So instead of just selling your ebook on Amazon Kindle, for example, you can come and literally upload the exact same book on all these platforms. Like, they're free to join for the most part, and all you're doing is just uploading the exact same thing on multiple platforms. You're literally just spreading your book around the internet like a virus, right? And you never know where a ton of your sales are going to start coming through, okay? So this is the beauty about ebooks, right? And generating passive income with ebooks. You don't have to stick to one platform. You can spread your wings as far and wide as you wish and attract tons and tons of people. Tap into all those big platforms that already have traffic. They've already built trust, and you can literally just upload your books here, guys, and start generating some amazing passive income. Okay. So if you enjoyed this video and you're looking for an even easier way to build your passive income business in 90 days or less, then I would like to invite you guys to check out the Passive Wealth Accelerator program, where my team and I can actually help you, hold you by the hand, and help build your passive income streams for you in 90 days or less. Okay. So if that sounds great to you, then be sure to check out the website at www.funnelpire.com/wealth. And I look forward to catching up with you guys in my next video.